Hi, I'm sitting down with Barry Wingard, who's running for district magistrate for the Fox Chapel Area School District. Thanks so much for sitting down with me, Barry.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I know one of the issues that you want to tackle that you feel is very important is wasted taxpayer dollars and how you intend to fix that. Can you tell me how tax dollars are being wasted at the magisterial district level?
Yes, that's a very good question. Basically, the district magistrate hears all cases that originate in the criminal justice system, with the exception of a few felonies. The cases that the magistrate deems necessary to go downtown are then sent down to the Court of Common Pleas instead of being resolved at the magisterial district level.
And whenever those cases are sent to the Court of Common Pleas, what happens? There's substantial costs involved, correct?
Okay, a case is initiated by the police. The police make an arrest. Once they make an arrest, then it's sent to the district magistrate most of the time. Once the magistrate gets the case, then the district attorney will come out and the defense attorney will show up, and there will be what's called a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is where a judge decides what cases can be resolved at the magisterial district and what cases should go downtown. Now, once the judge decides that the case should go downtown, then there's substantial personnel and time associated. For example, the magistrate will send the case downtown, then the clerk will get the case, and then it'll have to be assigned to the district attorney. Public defenders will get involved. Defense attorneys will get involved. The client may actually be in the Allegheny County Jail. The expenses begin to rack up very, very substantially once the case goes down to common pleas.
And it's a common error, I believe, of many district magistrates to send cases down to the Court of Common Pleas that could be dealt with on the local magisterial level.
Sure. You know, one of the things as being a public defender for 20 years, I can tell you there's nothing more discouraging than seeing a case that should have been resolved at the magisterial district level coming downtown. Oftentimes what you see an inexperienced district attorney sending a case down, or you would see a magistrate who really doesn't understand the value of different cases before sending them downtown and wasting all those resources.
So there are serious cases that would go downtown, but for the ones that could be handled at the local level, the error is in sending them down that they incur those substantial costs. And why are you the best candidate to help us to avoid those costs?
Well, let me tell you, as I alluded to earlier, having been a public defender for more than 20 years, I've been the recipient of those bad cases when they get downtown. In addition to that, I've also worked in the districts, which are the magisterial districts. So I have an excess of experience working in every aspect of the legal system as far as defense attorneys go. I've run preliminary hearings, I've run adult trial, juvenile trial, I've run mental health court, which I currently do, which I look forward to talking to you more about as we go forward. I run veterans court, I've run ARD, I've run Phoenix. So I have an entire catalog of 20 years, 2 decades of experience, and that's what I'm going to bring to the magisterial district in Fox Chapel.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Barry.
Thank you.